Let's take a look just to local updates for POL USDT. Previously, Matic ticker, Polygon, with my customer request said, we're more than okay to try open long position. Of course, guys, this is just a fresh chart because after rebranding, right, this one, September 2024, the chart looks like this one. To find the main chart, you need to go on this one, Matic USD, Polygon Crypto. This one, but it stopped at showing the updates, I guess, here. This is no longer publicly trading, so no data will be added. All right. So here, they stop at update the chart here at 19 cents. But you remember the global zone of accumulation is 24 and 5. Maybe we will dump even to the 5. We will see. That's a problem, guys. You know, when they change the ticker name, it looks like a fresh chart, and it's hard to analyze the coin, right, with the main zones, a global one, because we don't have historical data, historical levels. And imagine the new users just take a look. Oh, this is just a fresh token. It's so cheap at 8 cents, but we can dump even to the 5, for example, to the zone of interest. It could be from now it's 43% down. So that's a problem. That's an issue. I don't know why when they change the ticker name, why they not keep the old chart, because the price is the same, absolutely everything the same, but just a new ticker. It's unfair. The same story with recently with the mantra. When after the scam, pure scam, they just erased the chart and it looks like, oh, it's just a fresh new promises token. Just a mind blowing. This is unfair. All right, guys. Anyway, let's analyze on the daily time frame. We're more than okay to try open some long position. When we trade between the buy line and the take profit line and the buy line, I'd rather skip the token or trying to buy around the buy line. So buy line on the daily now for the POL is 6.74. I'm not sure we drop it, but it's my rule, you know. If you want to open a long, for example, now the stop loss on the last extremum, it's not around 9%. So second leverage 18% against the 100. Maybe makes sense to try, you know, 1-to-5 ratio. All right. But I'd rather skip it and wait the better option. If not, I will be more than happy. I can't trade every single token, but if you or if you're ready, for example, in position, just add a stop loss under the 8 cents 11. So it will be not a mistake, because I will be unsurprised if the next week we'll just dump and sweep that liquidity pool. 12 time frame, guys, we also in the middle, so I don't like this type of situation. And we didn't retest the buy line here in February. Buy line test now it's 6.1021. It's hard to imagine why and how we should drop 30% from now, but it's possible. I hope we will not dump it, right, and just stop around the maximum of 7 cents 98 max paying here. All right, weekly time frame, unfortunately there is no data for take profit indicator, guys. A daily take profit line, it's 13.29. So if, for example, you catch the bottom here at 8, here you need to take some profit, add stop loss at the break even, and ride with the free tokens. Exit line now is 15.02. This is a trade on, guys. We didn't see the take profit signal. That's why this alert that is added, I guess. Yes, take profit signal still added, still in play, guys, still not triggered. So if you watch the previous videos, we added alerts in real time, you know, and this sell on the daily, this is like a signal. The big guys, you know, keep selling. So we need to see that take profit signal, at least like here was sell. Of course, we bounced it higher. After that, Donald Trump dump, and we saw the signal take profit. After that, we rebound. So at least for some rebound, like 16%, we need to wait the signal take profit. So it means we need to close all short positions and start looking for opportunity to buy. Now it's only the buybacks. 12 time frame, recommendation to sell. All right, we will see. ADZ direction, guys. Let's check on the daily. This is accumulation, maybe some news. 2 days ago, POL prices rises, Polygon launches S POL. Honestly, guys, I don't like everything what's going on now with the DeFi, a lot of hacks around the Aave, you saw it, right? And all these rapid tokens, some new stable coins, it's not that good. Well, for me personally, it's not that good, right? Maybe as POL staking token run at 14 April, yes, staking is good, definitely, because when the people stake more tokens, right? So it means that the less tokens in circular supply, so the less seller pressure. But it's not like a magic pill. If the less tokens in the circular supply, it doesn't mean the sellers can short it, right? Right. So this is a accumulation zone since April 12th. It would be good to see, of course, from the warranty. The warranty could be, I don't know, like this one, for example. Here, and grab liquidity, this one, and go higher. That's why 7/10 maybe will be the good entry for the futures position. Now, definitely it's accumulation, not a distribution. That's why now we need to look at the option to buy, to open long position, not to open short position, because we can see the weak short squeeze. So ADZ in accumulation. Direction, guys, here, since April 8, we are in accumulation also. Here was a signal to buy. Now just like a low correction. But I don't like this one. I don't like this liquidity pool. This order block also can be like support if we hold the line at 8:59 in the Monday, when we will see the open United States stock market day. It can be the reversal bounce, right? It's next first trouble area. It's 1190. This liquidity pool, but now I don't see any signals to buy or sell. Just neutral. Sometimes we don't have any data for the position, for the setup. So this is a hopium. Market smooth and now in hopium. It doesn't mean it's something bad, for the coin. No, it's just people waiting. It's expectations. We have to go higher, and not all the time the expectation move in opposite way. No, sometimes yes, the majority waiting the upside move and we go up. So sometimes it's pretty simple. We're in the capitulation since here, I guess, since February 2025. So definitely it's a great time to step by step accumulate Polygon if you believe in it for the spot. If for the futures, guys, we need to find the setup lower. If we use just the basic, guys, FIB, for example, at least here, 866, 862, 850, it's the main support. If we not hold the line, we're gonna dump it lower and form the warranty. If hold the line, yes, it means this order block, global order block on the daily will be like main support. So this one, 866 with a weak candle, 850, maybe like a main support. This is also hopium. 4 hour time frame, it's A3. Let's add alerts on 4 hour time frame. Some disbelief area, the blue color in the market, on the market mode indicator, it will be much more better. For reversal, 4 hour time frame, no money inflow, nothing. Here was the last money inflow, April 12th. We rebound that time, 11%, not that much. Also, I don't like it. Here, 12 time frame, money in, we drop it lower, we rebound at 11%. Now we're at the top without a new money in. At daily, we also almost at the top without a new money in. So it's kind of sad, guys. And the last indicator, take profit, I showed you, but let's check here closely on the daily, 673, it's a buy line. Let's add alerts to the buy line, this one. This is if we will form the warranty on ADZ. Yes, 671, it can be the good entry. 7, I guess we're going to stop it, but 675 now, but lines are dynamic. That's why I highly recommend you just add alert to the line. This can be the good entry, this one. Stop loss is just up to your money management, right? So, for example, you want to buy here, open position, some 10% with second leverage, 20 with the 20% with second leverage, and against the 200. So 20 against 200, pretty good trade. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please in the comment what you think about a Polygon. If you like to trade with my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.